Welcome to the fourth installment of our series, where we explore the exciting potential of methylene blue for health enhancement and longevity. Expanding upon our earlier videos, here we'll look at methylene blue's protective mechanisms in neurodegenerative disease states. To conclude, we'll discuss if these neuroprotective qualities could also serve as preventative measures in healthy individuals, considering supplementation. Are you curious about the promise of methylene blue to rejuvenate your health and vitality? Then commit to your well-being by tapping the like button and subscribing to our channel so you don't miss a thing. We are your portal to the secrets of longevity. We begin with groundbreaking findings from a publication in Acta Neuropathologica Communications 2015. The article, authored by a dedicated team of researchers led by Kay Hochgräfer, explores the innovative use of methylene blue in combating Alzheimer's in mice. In research focused on Alzheimer's disease, scientists explored methylene blue could help prevent or improve memory problems caused by certain harmful protein buildups in the brain. When tau proteins clump together in the brain, forming what are known as tau aggregates, they can lead to the kind of nerve cell damage seen in Alzheimer's. The study involved two groups of mice, each engineered to produce a different form of tau protein. One group's tau proteins formed dense knots, similar to those seen in Alzheimer's patients, whereas the other group had a sort of pre-tangle condition without such dense knots. The goal was to see if giving methylene blue, known to disrupt tau protein clumping in test tubes, could prevent or lessen the learning and memory issues these mice usually face. The research found that methylene blue couldn't reverse memory problems in mice already showing symptoms. However, if given before the mice began to experience memory troubles, methylene blue had a protective effect, particularly in the mice predisposed to the pre-tangle condition. These mice not only showed better learning and memory, but also decreased harmful tau buildups and improved the brain's waste removal systems. This study highlights the potential for treatments that prevent protein clumping, like methylene blue, to help tackle diseases like Alzheimer's. The key finding is that such therapies might need to be started early before memory and learning problems begin to show. Our next study, titled Brain Protection by Methylene Blue and its derivative, azur-B, against cognitive impairment induced by cisplatin, 2022, explores how two compounds, methylene blue and its cousin azur-B, could help protect the brain from the memory and thinking problems often seen in patients undergoing chemotherapy with a drug called cisplatin. Chemotherapy is excellent at fighting cancer, but sometimes it can have side effects like making it hard for people to think clearly or remember things. Methylene blue and azur-B are being studied because they help protect the brain from these side effects. These compounds help by boosting a natural defense system in our bodies called the NRF2R pathway. Think of this pathway as the body's superhero team, working to protect our brains from harm caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. This pathway is also crucial for keeping our brain cells' mitochondria working well and keeping our minds sharp. Additionally, the study noticed some exciting changes in the types of bacteria living in the gut after treatment with methylene blue and azur-B. Cisplatin caused imbalance in the mouse gut, as evidenced by decreased levels of Actinolalia and Prevotella and increased levels of Streptococcus and Veillonella organisms. However, methylene blue and azur-B prevented cisplatin-induced imbalance in the bacterial composition of the mouse gut biome. The changes suggest that methylene blue and azur-B might also help protect the brain by supporting a healthy gut, thereby offering a new way to help protect brain function for people undergoing chemotherapy. This study lays the groundwork for more research into how methylene blue can be used alongside chemotherapy. This is noteworthy because the state of the gut microbiome is increasingly recognized as a factor in brain health and cognitive abilities, reinforcing the connection between the gut and the brain. Turning to a 2012 study published in PLOS1 by lead researcher E. Patiat and colleagues, an investigation into methylene blue and similar chemical compounds revealed their potential to protect brain cells from damage. This research found that methylene blue could support the brain cells by helping mitochondria to use oxygen more efficiently. This is particularly important because it could help prevent damage in situations where the brain is at risk, such as in Parkinson's disease or after a stroke. The researchers also found that methylene blue and its closely related compounds could protect brain cells from certain types of stress and toxic substances. by acting as an alternative pathway for the cell to produce energy, thus reducing the harmful byproducts that can lead to cellular damage. This finding is exciting because it opens the possibility that methylene blue and its derivatives could be developed as treatments for neurodegenerative diseases. Turning now to another article, Cellular and Molecular Actions of Methylene Blue in the Nervous System, published in Medicinal Research Reviews in 2011 and led by M. Oz. This article provides a comprehensive overview of the therapeutic benefits and applications of methylene blue in medical science, particularly in neurology. Those following this video series probably have become aware of by now a theme of neuroprotection at the cellular levels across diverse systems. This article validates this theme, documenting at least 6 clinical indicators for methylene blue treatment and another 7 conditions for the potential application of methylene blue, as seen in these 2 tables reproduced from the article. Obviously, methylene blue appears to be a versatile agent capable of treating various conditions. Its applications range from addressing methemoglobinemia by enhancing the blood's oxygen-carrying capacity to mitigating the side effects of efosfamide-induced encephalopathy and chemotherapy treatments. Finally, in the 2019 publication in CNS Drugs, Methylene Blue in the Treatment of Neuropsychiatric Disorders, by lead researcher Martin Alder, a thorough exploration of using methylene blue within psychiatric treatment is provided. Alder reviews both the historical context and recent advancements in the application of methylene blue for treating psychiatric conditions, emphasizing its antidepressant, anxiolytic, and neuroprotective effects. Just like the insights shared in our series, Alder's findings reiterate the potential of methylene blue as a multifaceted treatment option, highlighting its utility in improving mood stabilization and reducing residual symptoms without significant side effects. A focal point of Alder's comprehensive review is the discussion on methylene blue's compelling efficacy in the treatment of bipolar disorder, where it has been observed to exert substantial antidepressant and anxiolytic effects without precipitating manic episodes. The enduring application of methylene blue in bipolar management has contributed to enhanced stabilization and diminished residual symptoms among patients, thus positioning it as a viable proof-of-concept treatment for various organic and neurodegenerative disorders, fostering a general neuroprotective mix. Despite its broad therapeutic index, Alder notes methylene blue's inhibitory action on monoamine oxidase, or MAOA. This is an enzyme that plays a crucial role in the metabolism of neurotransmitters, such as serotonin, norepinephrine, and dopamine within the brain. These neurotransmitters are integral to regulating mood, anxiety, and overall emotional state. This necessitates a cautious approach when integrating methylene blue with other pharmacological treatments, highlighting the importance of clinical prudence. Hence, despite the optimistic perspective presented in this article, continuing investigations into methylene blue are crucial to fully discern its potential in neuropsychiatry, before it can be definitively deemed beneficial or detrimental to psychiatric care and confirmed as entirely safe when used alongside existing treatments for psychiatric conditions. A summary of the implications for supplementation. Our review of studies reveals intriguing insights into the potential benefits of methylene blue for health maintenance and potentially extending lifespan, particularly through its neuroprotective and antioxidant properties. For healthy individuals interested in utilizing methylene blue as a supplement for longevity and health preservation, several inferences can be drawn. Antioxidant properties, methylene blue's ability to reduce mitochondrial superoxide production and neutralize reactive free radicals positions it as a compelling antioxidant. This suggests that it could potentially mitigate oxidative stress, a contributor to aging and many degenerative diseases, thereby supporting the maintenance of cellular health and longevity in healthy individuals. Neuroprotection. The evidence indicating methylene blue's protective effects against cognitive decline and neurotoxicity also suggests potential benefits for brain health in healthy individuals. By potentially preserving cognitive function and enhancing cellular resilience within the nervous system, methylene blue supplementation could contribute to maintaining brain health and function as individuals age. Mitochondrial support. Given methylene blue's role as an electron carrier in the mitochondrial electron transport chain, its use could theoretically support mitochondrial efficiency and energy production. since mitochondrial function is crucial for overall cellular health and energy metabolism. Enhancing mitochondrial efficiency could play a role in health maintenance and extending the healthy lifespan. However, it is important to note that most of the evidence supporting these benefits comes from preclinical animal models, and the therapeutic window and optimal dosage of methylene blue for health maintenance in humans remain to be clearly defined. Individuals considering methylene blue supplementation should seek advice from healthcare professionals and consider the current lack of comprehensive data on long-term effects and optimal dosages in humans. Further research, particularly human clinical trials, is essential to better understand the potential benefits, risks, and mechanisms by which methylene blue may contribute to longevity and health maintenance. Thank you for watching our 4th video on methylene blue supplementation. We hope you've got a ton of value from this video. Make sure to join us in video 5, our final installment in this video series titled Navigating Methylene Blue, Dosage and Safety Demystified.